Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video we're going to be attempting to do a straight hairstyle on my curly hair. As you know, it'd be hard, so let's start. Part 1, we're going to part the hair. So this video is with a twist, just because as you can tell we have curly hair and shorty got straight hair, but nonetheless it looks good on her, and I thought it would probably look good on me too. So here we are trying to do the hairstyle. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and comment down below your favorite part, or if you attempt to do this hairstyle like me. Alright? I'll spare you the details. So she doesn't go in with any products, but I'm going in with a leave-in conditioner and some gel, just because, like I said, we have two different texture hair and my hair requires more care. She sleeked down her hair, so I'm sleeking down my hair too, just to make sure that I give it the best I can. I went ahead and placed a rubber band on the side, but you can do it like her if you want to and do it in the back of your head, but it's up to you, or you could do it anywhere else. Just improvise however you want. And once again, she doesn't do anything to her hair besides hairspray, and I can't do that. So what I did is grab some leave-in and just refresh the curls. I'm going in heavy on the front because the front is where it needs a lot of defining, as you can tell. Once the curls are revived, you know what time it is. It's volume time, you know. So she goes on to do that frizz thing on the top. And what I did was grab some rubber bands and section my hair into two. And then take those two sections and section it to one. Because what I wasn't going to do is drag a comb through the roots of my hair like that. You see that? That's nappy as hell. I wasn't gonna do that. For this hairstyle, I chose not to add the little cute hair piece she put in the front, just because I thought it was a little tacky and I didn't want to get stuck to my hair. So I went ahead and just let it air dry. This is the final result. I totally loved it, and I think it looks so cute. She looked so cute in it too. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, hit that thumbs up, and see you in the next one.